ちょっと画像を落とします。続きまして、Dynamic Equation Control the Scheme Newton-Euler Method Lagrangian Method include the independent dimension value contection limit high component derivative inverse dynamic closure ring mechanism or continuous rate transform one owns。続きまして、これはwhere vector rated as transformation この The global condition unknown force acting limited open loop transaction where transformation with the coordinate expression of this expression above the under number informal length summary parameter なんとか solved by なんとかaccuracy coordinate condition number step to the tank これはOnline control system parallel solution scheme だそうです。time process each process this obtain use of the time angle constructing device link mechanisms using experiment system the scheme presents problem is acknowledgement supreme Japan science essential mathematics to talk a vector field or character animation master congruence purpose of scientific extension common despair relative on that we will discuss possible mass energy past character possible energy value mass skill serum continue curve furthermore remark below or study the Earthing environment above given and then the particular shown given using numerical increments of the maybe radius the opening of the Lagrangian equation the key play section varies regular scheme and description open varies definition made regular and operate define and definition dimension or theorem of sources なんとかlemma suppose and user なんとかwe turn not better suppose then the function elementary computation shows indeed that the function level next we show on the this show given using classical network なんとか by the our optimal sequence bounded lemma excuse another on the working memory moreover proof the undernet obey expression yield続きまして proceeding desiccant なんとかただいま手がこれぐらい治ってます suppose obey 手が治れば書くんですけど this paper with non-linear a cube term negatively component physical scenario unlike this case single power non-linearity they record the similar solution the energy function cell GF dimension on the equation of the dimension cell means that's a region of the same file figure scheme diagram operator theorem the paper shows the admitted rate symmetric solution case specifically we were spending component here on candidate following this case representation in this paper a particular operator mass value however our results this individual equation corresponds to the various on the example accurate problem occurred apply convention more recent application of education energy technique one argument close the principle. In this way, theorem becomes statement that the suppose theorem or suppose all the value finite. The linear profit decomposition theorem sequence data process orthogonal. This argument requires strictly described as a mass energy described. Note that the non-vanishing of the arrays on such larger such needed to perform the indication argument described. Let's now discuss relation work, which is the case of high functions of focusing. We hope that the paper may provide some information to get the problem right section of cubic problem. And also write the indicator that's consequence. Program keeper the program version. Lemma given Nantka. This purpose of the section discussion solution the cubic energy with the equation. Theorem also the symmetric solution. Using notion we have Nantka. The variation argument boundary simulation Nantka. Condition function. Figure scheme mass energy for the based on numerical. Solution the points of the recurring defined mass energy. Hashing given operator, notice operator. Proof to each part boundary using radius shown. Know the theorem 2 dimension. Solution on this function. The corresponding indicated data basic content applying. First order, we now compare for each node the data because this is consequent vanishing. Two corrections are fit respective argument operator. Further identification just the diffusion energy obtained. The proof will more complete the difference relation. The key matrix consists of two apply the inner products. Minimum mass recursive to point figure. Lemma hold Nantka. Note that given asymptotic identify. Using identify asymptotic mass indeed with Nantka. In particular, which say we can rubber boundary compare with finite equation. Equation of stack or employee price identify. On a circuit rails available when the solution optimized the procedure the solution operator infinity. A passing subject insertion assume commercial source bounded to work at all. Rated file component for the lateral hold, the vacuum hold. Lemma for the social operator. As the position operator that yield. That's a given. Skipping the middle record for hand. Finally, 続きまして、今日の資料、あれ室で、リサイクル室で、リサイクル室になんかあったっていう。東京マリン日曜、東京なんだ。オリエンテーション。なんか慶応の人のあれがあったと。慶応の人の資料があったという。東京海上日曜。就職活動中の歌広場、カラオケルーム、歌広場です。iPhone、iPad 初めてガイド。加藤直人さんっていう人。